Good morning. How's it going? It is a beautiful morning here today. Always like to get here in the morning. You know, it's nice and quiet. It's good to just be with your thoughts before the madness of the day happens. And when I got here, it was like a nice red Arizona morning. So sun's starting to peek its way out. That red has gone away, but still looks amazing. Look at all that rain. We are bottom of Black Mesa. Looks to be raining on that side right now. You got the coal chute tower. Not sure what they actually call that. Black Mesa store. Not sure if any of you guys have ever seen or watched my previous video. I was running the half marathon in Flagstaff. And I kind of mentioned in there I was in the Army for a bit. And I was stationed in Fort Lewis, Washington. And constantly rained there. When I first got there, it was nice and sunny for a week for in processing. But then after that, got to my unit, good old 114 cab, and then all of a sudden it was just rain. Cloudy all the time, no thunders, it was just cloudy. It was just cloudy and really muggy, and just a constant drizzle. I don't know if some of you guys have ever been to Washington. You know, that's where I was, and it got boring. It got annoying really quick, especially constantly going to like the motor pool and stuff like that. It wasn't the best, being wet all the time, and not only being there, but if you were gonna go do something cool like out in the woods, you had to bring a jacket all the time, and I didn't like that. You know, I come from Arizona. I want to see the sun, and every now and then it's good to have a good rain, but not every single day. All day, every single day, rain, just the constant drizzle is not the best. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, cloud. I think there's an alien in there. Just call it an official storm chaser for a while. But yeah, it wasn't the best. I didn't like the rain. Wasn't my cup of tea. This is pretty cool how the homeowners made this little natural making dam. So all the rain that comes off of here will just slide down. Pretty cool. Not sure if you can see the rain starting to fall right there. It's probably about a good mile away. So got the truck nice and loaded again. They're still working on the inside, but right now we just got most of the stuff back inside. It'll get wet no matter what.
this nature show we got out in the wild. The cistern tank that holds a whopping 1,200 gallons. Let's see if we can sneak up on this mate. Be very quiet. And as you can see, it's got a little infiltrator with him. And now we have got the Steven. Oh crikey, he has found.
Here we go. When our backhoe is down, we only do partial work. We got the pump. But we got everything plugged in.
That's some shit going on. We're all like, what the heck's going on here? What is going on here? It's a violation. Choke it. Choke the chicken.
I don't know if I can add that on YouTube, but truck's all loaded up. It's raining on us.
Yeah, that's not cool.
Truck is fully loaded, fully packed. Backseat driver. Backseat rider. And as you guys can see, I got rid of the Fu Manchu stash going on.
Table strapped down good?
Yeah. Yeah, and then picks you up and it drops you down the mountain.
Where's this at? Williams?
Yeah, Williams. There we go, all that rain. You got Navajo Mountain. Sunny. Yeah, funny, we were just in that, left, the truck is loaded. We got the tables on the toolboxes, made like a little roof on top. But as soon as we are leaving out of that, our Connex is like around right here.
You ever seen that? The storm chasers? Chasing those tornadoes in the Midwest.
So squishy in there.
It's like a prison movie.
Backseat passenger, driver, made it back to the Connex. Man, look how nice and sunny it is over there. But let's do a little swap. Look at all that. Rain is getting close. Driving over here, we could see it. It was dropping like not too far from here. And just here, it sounds pretty cool. We're gonna unload all this. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us while we're unloading. End of day, it is raining. It rained. It's raining. But it is still great. Our backhoe has finally made it up. Only problem is the window blew out. I took my mic off because it's raining and I don't want it to get wet, so if it sounds a little weird, that's why. I will let you guys take a look at this. A little fun little adventures. Fun things that always happen here at Navajo Mountain. Or, no, Team Navajo Mountain. As you can see there. Had the guys put trash bag over it, tape it just so it doesn't get wet because it is raining now. We got glass everywhere, glass all up inside. Still no official reason on how and why that happened. It could be anything from the place we had it did not close and latch that door, that window door. Or with the strong winds when they were driving up, could have blown that thing right open. Because as they were telling me, it was really, really windy. So it's always good that we can still maneuver our way through it and figure out how we can get this done. How we can get these houses done. But that will be for tomorrow. And as always, I will see you in the next one.